I guess I see myself as Samoan. I can't help it. Mum is from Napier and Dad is from Samoa, Western Samoa. We left for Samoa when I was about 4. And then when I was 23, I think my dad was kind of noticing that I was not speaking English very well. My father said to me once, "E pei oe se kanga flau maka, ai makua e le loalo nganganga," which means, in English, you look like a bag of flour, but you don't speak a word of English, of your language. So he kind of, I felt, forced me to come to New Zealand to learn to speak English. I came to New Zealand in '83, stayed here for 2 years and learnt my English then, and then went back to Samoa because my mother passed away. And then I met this lovely young man, met in '87, got married in '87, 8 months later. So I guess I got swept off my feet and I've been here ever since. Yeah, I know. It's when you look at the photos, and you go, oh my gosh, is that really me? Just so fair. But I never saw it like that until I look at the photos and I'm going, oh yeah, you did look different.
Because Sharon does look half-caste, whereas Judy looks like she's a tourist kid.
I look like I need to be fed. Yeah,
Not enough umu.
My husband and I, we run a church in Kelston Boys, and it's called Community Christian Fellowship, and it's very community-based. We just love the people, and we try and find different ways we can get out to help. So one of the things our church does is we get involved in taking the Tuesday Kai Night, which is once a month, the first Tuesday of each month in Kelston. Ready, because we're noticing a lot now, there's a lot of people who are sort of not quite homeless, but are struggling. And so we have a heart to help them get on their feet and give them hope and just bringing life. I think chop suey's become like a traditional dish, but originally I think that came through probably the Chinese that came into Samoa and brought their dishes, and we modified it, and made it our own, I guess. Chop suey goes a long way for so many people. It's a good dish for a big crowd, and it's yummy. It's not like when it's a big quantity you lose the taste. Well, that's because we have the best cook, and it brings back memories. You'd have it at least once a week or twice a week at home.
It's a Sunday
especially
special.
Yeah.
Oh, smells good. Pretty sure it's gonna taste good too.
Tonight, we're here at the Kelston Community Hub. We've got a combined church event and with the community where we put on a kai for our communities.
Today is the last dinner for the year. For us personally, we've probably told 1 or 2 people because people have networks. It's a small hub. We know if we do advertise, it'll be jam-packed. It's easy to get people. It's just who's coming, I don't know. We just leave it for Kelston to decide for themselves, I guess. Yeah.
Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Right where we are.
All right, welcome to our kai.
What would you like, some of this? Good to see you guys. Who'd you come with, Sha? Oh, awesome. You can always come back. I'm sure there'll be more. Hey, how are you? I think when we see people are struggling and they're just losing hope and losing life, I know when God made us, He wants you to live and have abundant life. And so if this is the way we can help, just bring hope and give them life. It's like when you find the answer to something, you just want to give it out. And I think, why not? Be family. Let's do this together. Bring love into the community.
Oh, the food has been awesome. I can't thank the community centre so much for what they've provided for us. It's been beautiful. Everything's just, it's like a Christmas feed on Christmas Day. It's been really nice. Oh, definitely. It is a good community. Everyone here is loving and they come up and talk. Most people don't talk to most people, but these churches that do this for the community, it's been awesome.
Well, I started eating the taro, but I've got to the dessert, I'm going back to the taro. And if it wasn't for this, a lot of people would go hungry.
It's a big team effort. I couldn't do it myself. I mean, yeah, maybe I could. But it's way more fun when everyone contributes and comes together like family. And I love more the connection. I always find the best way to connect people is to pick up a tea towel